Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the broil supply tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Use a 9/16 inch wrench and a 5/8 inch wrench to unthread the nut from the broil tube orifice fitting. Using the 9/16 inch wrench, unthread the nut securing the tube to the regulator valve, and you can remove the old tube. Install the new broil supply tube by inserting the shorter end into the regulator valve, then thread the nut to secure. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Insert the opposite end into the broil tube fitting and secure it with the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.